The accessibility tracker platform makes managing accessibility for your Shopify store so much easier. You're going to save a lot of time and you're going to save a lot of money. And it all starts with the headline here from the accessibility tracker homepage: audit to WCAG conformance as fast as possible. This is so key. This is so fundamental to what separates accessibility tracker from virtually every other platform on the marketplace. Accessibility tracker is audit based. The other platforms are scan based. As we've talked about, scans are very limited. They only flag approximately 25% of accessibility issues. We don't want to track 100% score on a scan. We want to track full WCAG conformance, and that is what Accessibility Tracker enables, because you upload your audit report and all of that valuable audit data is extracted and is now inside of Accessibility Tracker. So every audit issue gets assigned, prioritized, and tracked. And so here we can see the audit report transposed inside of Accessibility Tracker. Here we've got the broad view. We can see the issue, we can see the associated WCAG success criterion, and importantly, our audit report is now dynamic. So we can assign issues to individual team members. We can update the status of individual issues. We can also sort and filter by one of two prioritization formulas. One is user impact and the other is risk factor. So most Shopify store owners are very concerned with the ongoing litigation. They want to make sure that they're not sued. So here you can sort the issues by risk factor, which is a data-driven formula which tells you which issues are most likely to be claimed. So which issues pose the most risk. So Accessibility Tracker, we've built it to have so many different features. So you can assign and track issues, you can monitor progress, you can generate progress reports. So you can use AI to generate reports based on the current status of your audit report, how many issues you fixed, how many have been validated, etc. There's also AI insights. So this is where we could potentially ask, hey, what WCAG success criteria give us the most trouble? You can know that. All of the audit data is now able to be analyzed by AI, and you get answers for any questions that you have. There are also analytics inside of Accessibility Tracker. And then there's AI to help assist your team, guide your team through the fixes, help them know, especially if they're newer to accessibility, help them know what they need to do to fix the issue. This is going to reduce the amount of time and validation. So it's so efficient because you accelerate your project, you get your project completed faster, less time is spent working on the project. And then it's also effective because, again, we're tracking WCAG conformance and we've got AI to help our team every step of the way and also help us with progress reports, gaining insights, knowing how fast what the expected completion time is. So there's just so much benefit that's built into Accessibility Tracker. And we are adding a scan and monitoring feature. So if you want to be aware of any issues that are introduced that are able to be flagged by a scan, that is now a feature inside of Accessibility Tracker. And that's just an add-on to what's already there. And so really, Accessibility Tracker, we've built it to have everything anybody would want to need. And so with your Shopify project, with your Shopify accessibility project, this can really help you streamline everything, keep everything organized, and save you a lot of time and money in the process. So that's it for this video. We will continue on with the next.